team in the Philippine Volleyball League history. With a record of 10 championships, including a historic Grand Slam just this year, this team has consistently set the standard for Philippine volleyball with their unparalleled excellence and teamwork. It's now time to meet the talented stars to make up this extraordinary team, starting with your local team players. So this means these players are from Canada, but they're joining Fremantle Smashers tonight. So we'll start off with Leila Millington. Up next is Clara Serrano. Please give it up for Lara Musa. A big hand for Charlene Anaso. Give it up as well for Princess Sakana. And of course, the star player from Calgary, from CSCS First Integration, is Robert Gahoon. Give it up for the select players from Calgary and surrounding areas, ladies and gentlemen. And it's now time to meet the players who have experienced the highest level of volleyball competition in the Philippines and around the world. First, a promising young talent known for defensive skills and agility. She's a libero with great potential and determination, standing 5'4" from Toronto, Canada, Aaliyah Joy Torres! Next, bringing height and precision to the team is an emerging setter from my wife's alma mater, the University of the Philippines. Standing 5'8", please welcome Bea Bonifaz! Now one of the league's most reliable liberos and a crowd favorite for her energy and quick reflexes. Standing 5'3" from the Ateneo de Manila University, please give it up for Maria Carmela Ella De Jesus! Taking charge of the team's offense with her playmaking brilliance is a seasoned setter from my alma mater, Far Eastern University. Standing 5'8", let's hear it for Kyle Nervino, the PBL Best Center of 2023.
5'8" pala si Negrito, mas mataas si Negrito.
A versatile and consistent performer on both ends of the court. She's an outside hitter who has won the PBL Best Outside Hitter Award. Standing 5'7" from Far Eastern University, give it up for Bernadette Pons! Up next is a dynamic scorer and leader whose explosive attacks light up every game. The PBL Finals MVP of 2022 and a multiple-time Best Outside Hitter. At 5'7" from Anderson University, please give it up for Gemma Galanza! clutch plays. Standing 5'8", the opposite hitter from the University of the Philippines is a true volleyball superstar. Please give it up for John Carlos! And of course, this amazing team is led by their brilliant technician, Coach Sherwin Meneses, and his trusted assistant, Coach Mark Carol. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Coach Sherwin and Coach Mark. Okay, let's get this going, ladies and gentlemen. We're Greenmark News Masters against
So, we can't wait to play more games in other cities. So, nakakatuwa na nakikita namin lahat kayo na sumusuporta even though nasa ibang bansa. So, masaya-masaya po kami na we really appreciate all your efforts, all your support, everything for the team. Maraming salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Todd Carter.